In the case of digital technology, this is a bit of a grouping that looks at things like wearable technology, the mobile internet, the Internet of Things, and smart sensors. I mean, everyone's carrying a mobile computer in their pocket these days, and it started off as a personal use tool, but in business it's absolutely fundamental to the way we do business now. And some of these new technologies, even though they have personal use applications, we can definitely see applications moving into the industrial space, especially for SMEs. So some simple examples on the screen, but there's a photo there of a digital tattoo. So you can get an electronic printed tattoo that you can wear that obviously has sensors for your body, but in this case remembers your password, so you can sync with your iPhone, as a simple example. And you think, well, what applications could there be? Well, there'll be absolutely many applications in industrial. The Google Glasses on the other side has a camera, is connected to the internet. You can talk and see live information. And you imagine a process worker in the future having the work instruction in front of them as they're building stuff, having the camera in front of them saying the part's good or not good. If you're a maintenance person or a maintenance down in a mine, you could be looking at a problem and you've got your tech team back at a control centre in a capital city seeing exactly what you're seeing, giving you the right instruction, get that part, do this thing. You can de-skill some of those things, but you can also leverage the knowledge from a more central space. So this is definitely an area that there's going to be a lot of disruption. For the people in the room with factories, this is about making our products smarter and connecting all of our networks together. And there's some exciting developments in this area where in traditional large-scale manufacturing, this has been very expensive to do, big PLCs, big networks, big control. It's been possible, but now we're talking about using things that are free to us, internet, the web, and much lower cost sensors. And some of the stuff that Tanya's doing, if you can then link it with Wi-Fi, etc., then we can create a new network, and that's where the power of this is going. Can we please run the video? Thanks.
Future. Each bottle contains an RFID chip storing a precise description of how it has to be processed, which liquid, which lid, and which label. At each station, the bottle communicates directly with the machine, telling it how it has to be processed. At the end, a computer checks whether the bottle has actually been produced as desired. Factories with networked machines and products are already in existence today. In the future, however, these hitherto self-contained systems will be connected together in a comprehensive network. All devices, machines, and materials will be duly equipped with sensors and communications technology and connect to each other. These systems are known as cyber-physical systems. The highlight is that they communicate with each other and also control each other cooperatively. For the customers, this means tailor-made products at relatively affordable prices. For industry, it means highly flexible mass production that can be rapidly adapted to market changes, because in the future, product life cycles will be even shorter. Another reason.
I think the back end of that video shows obviously where the big players are thinking, but definitely their barrier to entry to play with smaller runs and more, I guess, lower volume production, which has perhaps been a safe haven for some businesses in the past, is going to change as well. But definitely there are applications here for managing highly complex things, taking the paper out of it and linking it together into low-cost networks.